Hello guys, I'm African. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today guys, we are in the village and we want to make some meal for the evening, which is uji, which is made of millet. So it's pure millet. So before we continue guys, I would like to show you the ingredients we are going to use. This is the gas cylinder which we are using for cooking, and then this is sugar. This is sugar. We are going to add sugar, and then we have the millet itself. It's pure wimbi. Inaitwa pure wimbi. It's called pure wimbi. And then we have this sufuria, and it's called kuruet in our Kalenjin language, and we are going to use it for stirring. And of course we have water. So guys, we are going to start, and we are going to light the fire and put the water into the fire, and then we continue guys. So welcome guys. So guys, we are going to wait for the water to boil, and then we continue guys. Guys, the water is already boiling. Can you look at the water? It's already boiling. So before we make our uji, we are going to add sugar so that it will not take a lot of sugar. It's wise to add sugar before uji, so that it will not take a lot of sugar. If you start with uji, it will take a lot of sugar. So me, I prefer starting with sugar, and it has really helped me. Now it's tasty. So now let's mix the millet with water and continue now. We are going to mix with cold water until it's well mixed up. Let's reduce the fire. It's okay. So guys, let's mix this. This is how we do it. This is pure wimbi. You can see it's really brown. It has nothing else. It's just pure wimbi. So now we are almost cooking our uji. So guys, let's now cook it. You stir until there is no lumps. There are no more lumps here now, you can see. So now let's continue guys. Remember, we added our sugar before, and that one helps in reduction of sugar usage. So if you never knew, get to know that today. So guys, we are going to stir this until it cooks fully. Video iko on. So it takes some few minutes guys, and it's a very delicious and nutritious food, especially for children. And it's also used by those people who have blood sugars, high blood pressure. It's really a very nice meal. Let's check our uji if it has cooked, guys. It's cooking slowly by slowly. As you can see, guys, it's cooking. It's now ready, and we are going to take it right now. So guys, we are going to serve it and take it right away. It's cooking. This is uji made of millet. So guys, these are our cups. We are going to take our uji right now. It's really ready for the evening. Nice meal for the children. In the evening, it really helps them for digestion, and it's a very healthy meal. So guys, let's serve now. It's now ready. We've served here. So guys, welcome.